Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Our gratitude is for the healthy favors and blessing of God that are always poured for all of us. International Conference and Workshop on Telecommunication, Computing, Electronic and Control (ICW) TELKOMNIKA is annual international conference where all experts from home and abroad come together to present their latest work and share new ideas and vision for achieving the future telecommunication, computing, electronic, and control for living a better life. Do you know? This year's Industry 4.0 represents the fourth industrial revolution in manufacturing and in industry, which is the current industrial transformation with automation, data exchange, cloud, cyber-physical system, advanced robot and cobots, big data, Internet of Things, and semi-autonomous industrial technique to realize smart industry and manufacturing goals in new technology and innovation. Alhamdulillah, we are pride in getting the opportunity to present scientific work entitled The Strategy of Enhancing Article Citation and H-Index on Sinta to Improve Tertiary Reputation for 15 minutes. There are three authors named in this scientific work, namely, with the first author, Dr. Insinyur Untung Raharja, MTIMM. Second authors, Eka Purnama Harahap, Eskom. And the third author, Sylvia Ratnadewi. There are 6 topics of discussion, and the first topic is background with 2 points that can clarify the content. In an educational institution, lectures are considered to have an important role in increasing citation and H-index in articles that are published critically for important intellectual content so that they can contribute substantially in improving affiliation quality in university. However, the lack of lecture contribution in making scientific work so that the low number of citation and H-index posted by lecture on Google Scholar and influencing affiliation Sinta dignity rating is currently demand not in accordance with the progress of the industry in the 4.0 revolution era, which is currently the fourth industrial revolution in the manufacture and transformation industry. There are problems that become obstacles to the contribution of lecture in increasing citation and H-index, namely the lack of direction from lecture in providing method on how to write good scientific papers so that they can be published in Sinta Distinctly with an S1 score. In the result and discussion, there are 3 calculations in Sinta score, where in this subtopic is the most important finding. The result of the analysis are appropriate reference. With the first case study conducted on Mr. Tula Sutikno with Sinta score 77.55. With reference component, weight rating, description, number of document article in Scopus, weight 40, number of non-article document in Scopus, weight 15, number of site in Google Scholar, weight 1, number of citation in Scopus, weight 4, quality of H-index Google Scholar, weight 4, and quality of H-index Scopus, weight 16. SS can be said to be a Sinta score with reference to the Sinta calculation component. GA, GB, GC, and GD are said to have the amount in the code and the weight of the assessment by producing the number of article document in Scopus, which is owned by Mr. Tole Sutikno, namely 105 times the score weighting 40 plus the number of non-article document in Scopus is 14 in time of weight, rating is 4, in the fixed number is 102. Then the total amount is 4,200 added 210 plus 1,000 plus 2,400. 4 points C and D, a cut-off calculation of 100 is carried out, so that if the number of citation owned exceeds 1,000, then the calculation is only 1,000. After that, the total amount of 709,010 divided by 102 is equal to 77.55. The final result is the same as the Sinta score. Then the same thing is done by calculating the case study conducted on the Sinta score UR Self and Sinta score Mr. Dery Setiawan. There are two objectives in this study, namely the synthesis of the Sinta score calculation formula is proven to be able to create new breakthrough, increasing citation and H-index both on Google Scholar and Scopus. The realization of lecture contribution to increase motivation in making scientific work with reputation both nationally and internationally. So, the conclusion of this scientific work with the increasing interest of lecture in contributing to making reputation scientific work so that significant development can be seen from the high-class reputation international journal of national, increased from 0 in 2014 to 36 in 2017. And this momentum must be made because the journal management is very large. Is rule. There were so many presentations that UR was able to convert about scientific work and detail the strategy of enhancing article citation and H-index on Sinta to improve tertiary reputation. Hopefully, this scientific work can motivate and increase the contribution of both lecturer and student in making scientific work that can increase citation and H-index, which is aligned with UR life motto. Don't try to cover up the darkness, but be a candle that always gives lighting. Always do Tridharma, dedicating Indonesia to the light of success.